back to another video. And if you into Hux World, and you know I couldn't let you guys get out of here without giving you another freebie. And here it is. Now, don't underestimate this watch face. Now, this is a watch face that you can use for whether it be the work week or if you're going to have a super casual weekend. This one is nice. It's free for the taking. Download it while it's still free, because you know how it goes. I do not know how long these watch faces are going to be free. Cool. Let's take a look at it. Now, the name of the watch face is called Analog Graphite. It's a straight analog watch face, right? A fun watch face. And in AOD mode, it's going to look exactly the same. Now, what you're going to get is some fun hands. You're going to get a nice ticking second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. And the tip matches the analog hands as well. You're going to get info on your battery percentage, of course, your steps. And you're going to get your date right there over to the right. So this is not a bad looking watch face. I do like the mesh look in the background. And you got a black theme that's going around the bezel of the watch, blending in with that mesh look. I like it. I thought the developer did a really good job with this watch face, considering that it's a casual, super free watch face, and it is interactive. So if I tap here, double tap, I can go into the step status info. Same thing here. I can go into my calendar. So I thought that was really nice for a free casual watch face. Now the video isn't going to do it justice because the hands are actually yellow. It's a nice look. It kind of glows yellow, and you can't change the color. Now I wish you could. That's the only thing that would really take this over the top. But considering that it is free, we can ask for no more. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you all are still enjoying your weekend, having fun with family and friends, and also being safe. With that being said, we got to let you guys go. We got to get out of here. And I'm going to see you all at the next video. Just don't forget, hit the like button on the way out and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.